Hi there, it's Saturday the 17th of May 2014. My name is Andy Rowe and this is trendfollower.co.uk, and I'm going to talk you through the two trades that I've placed this week. So this is the first position that I opened this week. It's the City Natural Resources High Yield Trust PLC. It's a FTSE 350 member, and you can see if I open the graph out how it's done over the years. This is back in 2003, and the price went right up and then crashed right down and then went whizzing up and has come steadily down, albeit with a few ups and downs along the way. So it's come right down to very much a sort of low point here. And if I open up this part of the graph, we can see that just recently it's been bumbling along, and during this week its price just jumped up and went through the average for the year, and so that really caught my interest, and so I've opened a long position in this company as a spread bet, and I've set my stop sort of down here, somewhere below the low here. I'm expecting to see it sort of go up and down a bit, but it does seem that commodities are in the ascendancy now, and I think that being long commodities is probably a good place to be. Being long equities, I think I'd have apprehensions about, because the stock markets this week I think touched an all-time high on Thursday. I think on Friday they went down quite a bit, but it's a funny old place to be. I think all-time highs, is that indicative of it going further up, or is it a time to leave the party? So I don't know the answer to that, but all I do know is that if I open the graph up, I'd rather be buying from somewhere low down than buying from somewhere high up. For instance, here, if I was buying here, one could argue had a good way to go, but it wasn't for long, and this is kind of bubble territory. So it's come right down. And obviously you didn't want to own City Natural Resources High Yield Trust really over the past 2 or 3 years, but now I think it's possibly quite a good time to get in on the deal. Now, I did open the position on Thursday when the price was above the 50 MA, and on Friday it dropped back down again. So I may be in the position prematurely, but we'll see. So that's the long position. And this is the short position. So again, I've done the same as I did last week. I've opened one long position and one short position, so it's a sort of market neutral strategy. And this is ITV, and ITV is a media company, and its price has been on the rise since 09, and has been going up and down, and then really last year, during 2013, its price really rocketed, and was at a peak of 210 in the earlier part of this year. And what's happened is that its price has, guess what, it's gone down through the average price for the year, the 50 MA, and that's really what caught my interest. So it's made a new low, and again, that's I think that's significant, and so I've opened a short position. And if you follow my blog, you'll know that last week I was lamenting the opportunities of opening short positions. Certainly in my spread betting platform, the opportunities are rather more limited than one might be given to expect. And anyway, I was glad to see that I could go short ITV, so I have opened a short position in this company. This is a media company, and the fact that the price has dropped down through the average price for the year tells me that sentiment is changing about it, and I hope to capitalize on that. So I've sold ITV. In other words, I've opened a new position, short selling it, and will buy it back, expecting to do that at a lower price, and I'll pocket the difference, unless of course the price rebounds and goes up through my stop, in which case the position will be closed and I'll make a loss. But I'm seeing this as an opportunity to make money on a market that's descending. So that's the second position of the week, shorting ITV. So I'll update you on how this trade goes as the weeks go by. So fingers crossed, things go badly for ITV. That would be their loss and my gain. So we'll see how it goes. So I hope you found that interesting, and I'm certainly looking forward to seeing how the trades progress. I'm sure you will too. I'll send you some updates as we go so you can find out just how well this style of trend trading goes. Bye for now, have a great week.